we are bringing technology and innovation in manufacturing companies. And we are helping manufacturing companies to be more productive, to increase the efficiency, to decrease cost, and to be more sustainable. The project name was Increasing Production Efficiency and Sustainability of the Industrial Partner, MUSA it's called. Important part of the project was the sustainability part. So the objective was to help Industrial Partner to calculate the energy consumption for each equipment, and from energy consumption to calculate the CO2 emissions. So in this moment they are having a real-time view and a clear view of what is happening in terms of performance, energy consumption, and CO2 emissions for each equipment. The innovation is coming from the fact that we are calculating the CO2 emissions and energy consumption from the real data. Now we are collecting data automatically from the equipment, from the shop floor. It's real data, and the data are reflecting reality, and also the CO2 calculation is reflecting reality. So it's applicable to all manufacturing companies, and in general to all companies, because due to the Fit to 55 European Union regulation, all the companies will be obliged to calculate the CO2 emission based on the real data.
Our company, it's a national company, Romanian, working for auto industrial, and for the future we want to extend this project with same partner, I think, with K-Factory for monitoring our press. My information project, it's very good for us. We plan to do this, but we didn't have the fund, the money yet to implement the project. Now it's okay. I think we can extend this project for future.